Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Measure 1/2 to 1 cup of plain curd and warm it to room temperature so it spreads easily. Divide your hair into 4 sections and clip them. This prevents missed spots. Using a wide tooth comb, detangle each section so the curd can coat strands from root to tip. Work quickly but gently. Apply curd at the roots first, then smooth toward ends. Once done, secure sections and move immediately to the next step to avoid drying out. Now you focus on saturation and circulation. Dip your fingers or brush and coat each section evenly, starting at the scalp and pulling product down to ends so proteins penetrate. Once a section is coated, spend 3 to 5 minutes massaging the scalp in small circular motions. This helps absorption and stimulates blood flow for nutrient delivery. Make sure the layer is uniform. If ends are dry, add a little extra curd. After massaging all sections, leave the curd on for the recommended time. You complete the treatment by covering hair with a shower cap and leaving the curd on for 20 to 45 minutes depending on thickness. Cover traps warmth and boosts conditioning. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, avoiding hot water that can strip moisture. Use a mild shampoo only if hair feels too heavy. Gently towel dry and air dry or use low heat. If you experience itching or redness, rinse immediately and discontinue. Next time, do a patch test before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.